Sngap Syiem College Mawkyrwat minda sngi ka khatwei terek wyayong arhaja arpsan ha ka jing-i-phuh jing-i-phieng ka layo ban rakhe ka jingdap sabo snem jong ka jingya lenti jong ka ha ka ïadei mat ka jing-i jing-shakri ha ka liang ka puli puthi nak benta ki khun samla jong ka dong ka than kiba hapo ka Southwest Khasi Hills District. Laban kdo baya kani ka Sngap Syiem College Mawkyrwat a seng naduh snem kat khandai spa prapusan jong ka khatwei terek wyayong na ki riew Lyngba ki beladon ke jingyo i jingai naduh gitu ki snem bat hadu menta kani ka college kala nangya syakhaman ha kani ka jing rakhe ki ladon ki program kerpang kita ki long ke jing penkop buram na ka benta ki samla puli ki belayo ya shimbenta ha ki jing ile kai ba pher kham kerpang ha kani ka Meghalaya game arhaja apsan ka badang shudap ha ka ba ki samla puli na ka Sngap Syiem College ki lawanra ka nam ka buram tang kata nakani kasngi kila yoru ban pelong ya ke jingde ya ki jingba ni ka food fest ki jingile kai ni games ki jingpen bernya ni entertainment bat ki wei there ukong san hakani kasngi udai uba enben karaswa ubalong udukhan ka governing body jong ka Sngap Syiem College Mawkyrwat haringkan ka jingdon lang Dr. Kiki Nongsynshar Principal jong ka Sngap Syiem College Mawkyrwat, Mrs. Dr. B. Marwin, bat uba S. Karwanyang, kibadei ki Vice Principal jong ka Sngap Syiem College Mawkyrwat, ki parano hikai baro ki samla puli shenrang bat kenthai lemru bat ki keme ki kpa jong ki samla puli.
La PFP, shemphang tek i-phieng Mawkyrwat, tak i-phieng Mawkyrwat, la PFP, naduh songpi. Nah kalian ka economics, la PFP.
As well as bronze medals. Next, I'll put the bronze medal winners in the Meghalaya Games. Barisha Walam, dancing Dorla Ramsey, Meghalaya game. He also won the silver medals in the National Muay Thai Championship at South. She also won.
But the spirit of learning and growth that defines our institution, as the motto says, arise and shine. From humble beginning to remarkable achievement, here we celebrate our legacy. Happy Foundation Day to all my dear colleagues, students, GB members, parents, and all stakeholders. The role of education is bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Sngap Syiem College was set up by the Mawphor Youtube Higher Education Association on the 11th of April 1985 as a junior college. It is named after Sngap Syiem, the then Syiem of Mawphor and the last freedom fighter against the British regime. This day reminds us to honor and respect to our great visionary leaders of our community who were the founders of the college under the leadership of late Shri Lyngba, former Deputy Chief Minister to the Government of Meghalaya, and other members who are still alive, and some of them who have rested to eternal peace. We felt deeply honored to our former principals, Dr. K.D. Ramsey, late Shri S.B. Soma, Professor Dr. Nonglai, and late Dr. S.S. Khlieh, who had immensely contributed towards the growth and inclusive development of the college as it is today. The college got permanent affiliation from naduh on June 2000, and in commerce stream in 2017, and BSc in 2023.
Achievement hagi bertagi pair bagi college ka dunia ya keburon bagi dong datang ke jam. Kendiat aswa ya kaba kinkran di koi berta ngasupan ke mau ya pi bagi nong pelet ya itu ki nong seng lagi ki leaders ki jongi ki badan ke tinggal ingai aswa. Ikan mau kam aswa snem ajar snem kakidai spa proposan. Yeliamat yang kita ekobon, yai kita ekobon, bagi kon jam ni nanu gendong, hawa kita boleh esok. Kaji sidam kebaharu kata-kata, kamdam ye long sem kiba duna kiyo akot. Kimana kita ekobra, kumno bagi kita tuan mission hantar esok. Anda kita mission hanglo kisah. Nanda kejurusan ke bon lagi kami kikuan, diong ikut nade susyukun, nade kulisyu nama bangin mak berusaha. Kabai sem, kabai bos, kabai taksi, kabai jingdap, kabai bon, baik buat kabai selang, berhadapan dulu, benkur ia berpasang yang lo ikut, nama lagi bom lah. Nanda semuanya kita ngomong insecurity kita bikon, kata bikon sama kita. Orang kita nak disor, bon, isyak penting, lagi wepat di riew belakang imsor, ngop lagi snem, lagi ngop, lagi isyak, lagi orang telat kijoki, kukinong kendong kita lui. Padahal yang orang kita kinong rim, kibangi itu report. Mia perhatian, kalau bakalan day kepor lagi dan day kendu kita berkrau, ada kita day kepor bagi seng no lai jom i-college akan kita dong ketan ke jom. Agar tu kepor kita kinong yalam, khubor badan kita ka jing-i-phuh, ni kepor nampak day menong bagi sementara kam politik, ngirangan nakam business. Jadi sebab ikut yang kita tu ni ki sahlang kerana bagi mana bagi kita kata. Pada kita dalam kejauhi, gila om batu kalau kadai kepor kebiang bagi seng ke college, buat lagi kita kebakrah. Bagi semua orang ikut, agar kepor bah kemudian tidak sudah, ya ka jingpuleng kejauhi, bagilah keloy bantuan. Ban longkum principal ban founder principal jangan ke college ke jangan. Dan bagi mau itu bisni, misno manong bangilastan ke jinglong kawa from the very humble beginning. Dari mata kita longkum ni,